Hi, it's me Vamp, and welcome back or welcome to the channel. We are here to talk about snow, or rather digital snow, in video games. We have Warframe here, so we're going to talk about it in Warframe. This may seem very odd, but we aren't actually just talking about snow, or rather footprints or stuff made in the snow. Like, for example, if I run here, you've seen games do this like a bunch of times. There will be footprints and stuff, and it only tracks up to a certain amount, then it starts, disappearing. And it will keep on disappearing. But if we stand here, it will also eventually disappear. As I'm talking about why that is, we can watch it disappear in real time. Okay, so, in theory, you could make a game or something like so something never falls off or hardly falls off at all. So footsteps stay forever, whatnot. But eventually, that game's cache, especially if it's on a mobile game or, uh, you know, the device, older device, or even a newer device. That's where you get memory issues from. Okay, most people call them memory issues, and what they're doing is they're eating up extra resources for seemingly no reason. And that's because nothing disappears. As you saw, it's completely gone again. Now imagine if all of these steps stayed during the whole mission. Then, yeah, that would be crazy. Also, imagine if someone literally ran around forever and just made an infinite amount of steps. Their game would take up so many resources. As you can see, the older ones are starting to disappear now. But yeah, if they didn't, your game would take up tons of resources. Now, let me know in the comment section, and that's actually I'm curious about. Have any of you guys had any wanting to try to create a game where you can, you know, like make steps for a long time or whatnot? In theory, it's possible, as far as I know. In theory, you could make it so the steps change the world forever, in theory, but you'd have to probably keep that in mind from the beginning, because like I said, stuff like this, little stuff like this as they call it, is what trips some people up, believe it or not. Little stuff like this creates memory leaks, as they were, and whatnot. And you don't want memory leaks in your game because that eventually lead to game crashes, bad reviews on the, Play Store and all that stuff. And just not good stuff in general. You want to try to not have game crashes if possible. You want to try not to have a game that is only 10 megabytes take up 2 gigabytes of resources. That, yeah, if you can help that, that would be best. And I don't know why I decided to make this video. I guess I just want to. I'm impressed by steps and stuff in games. Okay, I'm surprised at how long they can make them last and the trail and whatnot. I'm one of those people who absolutely would push the game to its limits entirely. I am just that person. That's who I am. You give me a game, say, oh, you can do unlimited, virtually unlimited steps, but don't try it because of the fact that it's going to have a lot of extra resources. What am I going to do? I'm going to try it. I'm going to push it to its limit. Now, for those of you guys that don't know, this game is actually Warframe. There will be a card top right hand corner, as well as a link in the description below to my YouTube channel, Warframe Madness, where I talk about Warframe content. I actually almost put this video up on that channel, but I figured it would be more suited for this channel since we actually talk about this kind of stuff here. But yeah, like I said, let me know in the comment section below your experiences, and if you're trying to make a game, have you thought about keeping the steps in mind, or you're just going to do like that nothing to even need steps for? Let me know. Memory leak issues, have you kept that in mind? You know, stuff like this. I will say, however, that snow is probably, if I had to give any criticism right now, it would probably be this snow. The snow's fine in the cinematic quest, but I mean, if you look closely, you can see it's, yeah, you can see it's more one-dimensional than I'd like. I mean, I'm not saying it completely, but yeah. Okay, well, I'm actually probably just going to end the video here. Yeah, there we go. You can end with a nice snowy scenery. Who knows, that might even make it into the thumbnail. But yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Like I said, let me know what you guys think, because I think footsteps are an important factor in the game. I don't know how many people out there agree with me, because it sounds very crazy if you say it out loud, but I agree with me. And with that said, once again, but for real this time, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.